Hi everyone, and welcome back to another forest school themed video on what is primarily a bushcraft page, but forest school is a great way to kind of get the children involved into bushcraft from earlier on and just being outside, outdoors, kind of in the nature around them. So what we've got for today is an Easter themed craft that we're doing here at the school, and it starts off like this. So the children come in and they have got a clipboard in their groups. You can do it in pairs, individually, or in groups, depending on how many clipboards you have available to you. But they have a bit of a orienteering task to begin with. If I just put this down long and they can flip over. So around the woodland there are Easter clues hidden, and each Easter clue has a letter attached to it. If I show you one of those now. So you can see here is one of them Easter clues, and it has got an S on it for if you want to differentiate it for any early years like nursery reception. You can also have numerical ones, so how many dots on there, but there's clues hidden around, and as they arrive at each clue there is also a link to the Easter story, so that the children can collect clues, letters that form a word, which again forms part of the Easter story and to the final thing that they're going to make, but also collect images about the Easter story, because it's not just about the eggs, it's not just about Easter, okay, it's about the meaning behind what Easter's all about. So you can see some more clues around here as we go further down. You can see there's another image for the Easter story for them to collect as stickers, so they're nice and easy to put out, and the letters going around all the woods. So if we head up to the top, now that we're at the top, we can see that once they get up here, once they finish their kind of hunt around the forest area, there is one final craft for them to make as something they can take home, and a culmination of all the things that they've gathered along the way. So the children are just going around now, so I'm not going to talk too loud, but it's brilliant. They absolutely love it. They're really having loads of fun, using lots of the orienteering and map skills to find the eggs. And just to clarify before, so the stickers of the Easter story and the dots were for the early years children that we take around as well, so it's something a bit simpler for them to collect, whereas the letters and the orienteering maps were for the kind of lower key stage 2, upper key stage 2 children, so they're searching for those letters that you can see on the blue ones, and it spells out resurrection once they put them all together. And we talk about the Easter story around the fire pit later on, whilst we're toasting marshmallows and making our baskets, which I'll show you in a second.
Right, you're going to get your 5 sticks and you're going to push them into your pot, but you need to do it in a very special way. You need to put your stick right at the edge and push it down the side like that, so it's all the way at the bottom. And then you need to spread them. Pick it back up, put it in, inside them. You're going to spread them around the edge like that. Yep. They're all spread evenly, as even as you can around the edge of your pot.
And now stick it down.
No, you need to be around the outside, Annie. That's really important.
Away from the main group so they can concentrate on their marshmallows, but I just want to show you the craft that they're making. So it's not perfect, but basically what they've got is a plant pot, biodegradable plant pot. They fill it with soil, compost, and pack it down as firm as they can get it, and then they just put 5 twigs spaced out, and then use the ivy vines to go in and out, in and out, in and out, until it resembles something like a nest there. And then they can use this to put, well, we're going to give them some eggs to put in their nest, some chocolate eggs to take home, but that's what it looks like. So I mean, I always think that anything made in the forest, it's not going to be absolutely perfect, absolutely beautiful. Especially like they are children after all, as long as they have fun doing it and learn something from it. But yeah, I think they're quite useful then. And they're quite good, and the kids love doing them. Really, they have to take the time, they have to concentrate. So yeah, it's lovely watching them do it. Right, I'm gonna go join them again. So I hope that's giving you an idea of something that you could do in your own forest school, whether it's a primary school or high school or just an independent forest school. But the children do love it. The children love coming up into this wooded area that we have, very fortunately, inside the school grounds, and we just want to use it to the best of its possibilities. So hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.